How to score 80 plus marks in theory subjects. Attempt all MCQs as there is no negative marking. You can get 25 to 30 marks easily in it. Practice, practice, and practice. You should solve at least 2 past year papers and the latest MTP to learn time management, questions interpretation, presentation, etc. While attempting the answers, use pointers and subheadings instead of writing paragraphs. You should attempt questions requiring distinguish between as there are chances of full marks in such questions. Write short forms in the answer only when you have used its full form in that answer initially. Give good and practical examples of the context asked as they can play an important role in getting good marks. Changing the language of the law may change its meaning, hence use the correct language to give the correct interpretation of the law. In law and tax, mention section number, and in audit mention essay only when you are sure about it. You must write full name of the essay in the audit exam to impress the examiner. Prepare recent amendments well as they are asked in each exam ranging between 10 to 20 marks. Draw flowcharts, diagrams and graphs wherever necessary. Avoid cutting and keep your answer sheet neat and clean with proper spacing. Present case study questions in the following format: applicable provisions, reference case law if any, facts of the case, and then analysis and conclusion. Aim for the moon 100% so that if you miss it, you will still be in the stars 80%. All the best!